I want to do a focus on custom redesigns generally of WordPress websites. I'm talking about people that have existing informational or e-commerce websites interested in doing redesigns. I want to talk about the theory, what I think the process should be, some serious things that you should be cautious of, especially if you're a site with significant traffic. And that's it.
Yes. I think that's an important thing, something I want to know more about.
Good. Well, you should say, well, Alex, why the heck didn't you talk to me about it 2 years ago?
We're talking about it now, right?
All right. So I always say this, look, there's a couple of roads people can take when they hire designers, right? There's the theme forest, find a template, iterate the template method, right? Which God forbid under no circumstance should you ever take. I'm guilty of this, by the way. In the beginning of my career, I started about 12 years ago, 2012, and I had no idea what I was doing, right? So you would have come to me then. I always say, thank God you didn't hire me then. I would have went to a place like Theme Forest. I would have looked for vape or whatever, kind of something related to your business. And I would have tried to find a theme that was in line with that.
Okay. Yeah.
I would mess around with it in development environment for a couple of weeks, do the best I can to get something out of it and present it to you and cross my fingers and my toes and pray to God that you liked it, right? Sounds terrible, correct? Yeah. Sounds really bad, right? Okay. So lots of people that are designers, I'm using air quotes here, do the theme forest route, right? Because they don't possess the skill set of custom designing in a tool like Figma, my favorite tool. And I think that there is a ton of inherent risks to you, the business owner, for people that are not real designers, right? You with me so far?
Sure, yeah, because our businesses are dependent on this.
Yes, you are not screwing around, and this is not a business card for you.
Correct.
You are relying upon the website in order to take orders, make money, facilitate business, et cetera, et cetera.
One of our main vehicles. Yeah.
Main vehicle for success, correct.